Welcome to Health Today. I'm your host, Sonia Jones, and today I'm here with Dr. Sherry Reid. Dr. Reid is a neurologist servicing the Decatur and surrounding areas. Dr. Reid, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
Would you tell me about your particular specialty? What does a neurologist do?
So we treat disorders and diseases of the brain, spinal cord, nerves, and muscles. So much of what I see are things like dementia, stroke, multiple sclerosis, epilepsy, migraines, Parkinson's disease, so just a wide variety of different things.
So what is it about neuroscience? What was it about neurology that really drew you to that field?
It's such a wide open field, and with neurology in particular, we have so many chronic diseases that much of them we can't treat, but even throughout my career training and as I've been working for the last how many years, more treatments have become available, more diagnostic tools, and so it's been a fascinating area of medicine.
How do you and your staff deliver patient-first care?
First and foremost, we try to work patients in as quickly as possible, and if their referring provider calls and says this is an urgent case, we'll do our best to get them in. Personally, I try to not only treat the patient, but their family as well. Again, much of what I do is chronic. These are lifelong disorders, and it involves more than the patient. It has such a huge ripple effect, and so trying to encompass the entire family as part of that treatment team.
What is it about being a neurologist that you find most rewarding?
I think as a neurologist, some of the things that I find the most rewarding would be, for example, in an acute stroke, being able to give medication and having that patient walk out of the hospital as if they've never had a stroke. I think also when you have those small moments of success where you've either found a diagnosis for a patient who's been struggling to find one, or coming up with a good treatment plan that at least improves the quality of someone's life.
If you could give your patients one piece of advice about maintaining their health, what would it be?
There are so many things I could say, but one thing I would say is wear your helmet. I see so many people riding their bikes without helmets and skateboarding, and I think protecting your brain is of the utmost importance.
Well, Dr. Reid, thank you so much for joining us today. It's been an honor to get to know you, and I can't wait for all of our patients to get to know you. So thank you again for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for joining us with Health Today. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Health Today. Be sure to stay up to date on future episodes by clicking the subscribe button.